Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I was recently searching for Amazon Prime membership, but unfortunately I could not get enough information from Amazon app. So I searched in the browser to know more about the plans and prices, and interestingly I found some new information which I would like to share here. Also, I will tell you few tips to get valid coupon codes and you can use it to purchase Amazon Prime membership at less price. For the complete information, please watch this video till the end. Basically, there are three different Amazon subscription plans: Prime Shopping, Prime Lite, Amazon Annual Prime. Here, Amazon Prime Shopping subscription plan is Rs 399 per year, and the benefits are free same day or one day delivery and there is no minimum order value. You can get unlimited 5% cashback with Amazon Pay ICICI credit card. You can get up to 10% off on mobiles, daily essentials and more. You can get early access to shopping events and 5% cashback on all Uber rides. But in this plan, Prime Video and Prime Music are not included. You can use this plan only for shopping. Prime Lite. Here the annual subscription price is Rs 799 per year and the benefits are same as Amazon Prime Shopping, but the added advantage is you will get access to Prime Video content on any one device between mobile and TV, excluding laptop. Next comes Amazon Prime Annual Membership, where the price is Rs 1499 per year. All the benefits here are same like Prime Shopping and Prime Lite. But it has additional benefits like you will get access to Amazon Music, which is ad-free, get free ebooks on Kindle app. Also you will get free games on mobile, PC and console. And the most important is you will get access in Prime Video content on up to 5 devices across mobile, TV and laptop. It is super beneficial among friends, like you can split the cost to make it more affordable, as only one person needs to have Prime account, but everyone can enjoy the movie nights, shopping perks and fast deliveries. If you do not wish to go for annual package, you can subscribe monthly package, which is Rs 299. Also, you will be automatically charged Rs 299 every month for Prime membership. If you do not want, you can cancel anytime. Here comes how and where to get coupons or vouchers. For this, open Paytm app, go to cashback, scroll down, click view all deals. Here there is Amazon Prime voucher worth Rs 100. Click and get the deal for Rs 1. You can redeem the code at the time of subscription. Secondly, you can get the coupon from Swiggy. In order to get the Amazon coupon code, your Swiggy One membership should be active. My Swiggy One membership is already active, so let's see how it works. For this, go to Swiggy app, click Swiggy One, scroll and there is Amazon membership worth Rs 150. Click redeem. It will redirect to Amazon app and it will reflect under Prime voucher. Click on it, you will get many options. Choose your plan. This amount of Rs 150 will reflect under Amazon voucher. Click while making the payment. Your Amazon Prime membership will be activated. One important point is, you cannot use 2 voucher codes for membership activation. Hope you got some valuable information from this video. If you have any doubt, please let me know. I will answer your queries. Also, please let me know the other topics you would like to explore so that I can make a video of it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and kindly share and subscribe the video. I will meet you soon in another one. Presented by Archana. Until then, see you all.